Viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today I'll be solving a question from IBPS PO Prelims 2023 question paper. A shopkeeper marked up the price of article P by 20% and give discount of D%, then he gets a loss of D minus 11%. If cost price of the article Q is rupees 200 and gets a profit of 1.5 D percentage, then find the selling price of article Q. So let's first write the data they are given in this question. So first we know that a shopkeeper marked up the price of an article. So there's an article P and there's an article Q. So first let's write the date of P marked up, which means whatever the cost price, so mark price equals whatever the cost price, he raised it by 20%. He raised 20% of cost price. So which is equals 20% plus means 100 plus 20, which is equals 120% of cost price, which is 120 by 100. Whenever you see a percentage sign, it is by 100 offers times cross price, which is equals, so this is 1.2 times CP is 1.2 CP. You can directly like this. So which means mark price equals 1.2 CP. Then the data we have here is discount of D percentage. So the discount he gave here is D percentage, and then by this he gets a loss is D minus 11%. So the loss he got here is equals D minus 11%. So this is the first set of data we have here. Now second set of data, if the cost price of article Q, there is an article Q which cost price is 200. They gave the cost price directly, which is 200, and then he gets a profit is, so this is actually profit percentage, which is equals 1.5 times D percentage. Then find the selling price of the article Q. So selling price equals question mark. So the formula we know here to find the selling price is selling price equals cost price. The formula depends on the data. Since we have cost price and profit percentage, so the formula we can go for is cost price into 100, profit is plus, right? So plus profit percentage divided by 100. So this is the formula we are going to go for. But in this case, for profit percentage, we don't know the value of D. So to find D, we have to use the set of data. Again, I'll be using the same formula even here. So there'll be a slight change here because we know only the mark price. So which is equals selling price equals mark price times 100, and the data we have here is discount and then loss. So with discount, if you are going to find, then it will discount percentage divided by 100. Or if you are going to use the loss, then the formula will be, so don't get confused, all the formulas are almost same. So there's the same formula like this. So which is selling price equals cost price times 100. Since it is loss, it is minus. So loss percentage divided by 100. So just these are the formulas which we'll be using here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use only these two values, mark price and the discount. So by using these two, we can find the selling price. So for that, so first selling price equals mark price, which is 1.2 CP into 100 minus discount here is D percentage. So D, I don't have to write percentage again, so cancel out, divided by 100. So this is the first set of values in finding selling price. With the second set of value, so selling price equals, so same thing, here it is cost price. So we don't know what is the cost price, so cost price can be just the cost price. So I'm taking a CP as it is. So which is cost price into 100 minus loss percentage they gave here is D minus 11%. So I'm just taking as D minus 11 divided by 100. So since these two are same, right? So these are both are selling price. We can just equate them to find the value of D. So this is how we do it, which is 1.2 CP into this equation and this equation. Since both are selling price, we are equating it. 100 minus D. Just use how much ever simple we can simplify it. So that is what we have to do it because we will be having much time in the exam. So 100, I'm taking the minus inside. So minus D plus 11 divided by, so CP gets cancelled, 100 gets cancelled. So which means 1.2 into this 100, I'm just going to multiply inside. So become 120, and 1.2 into D is minus 1.2 equals, and here again 100 plus 11 is 111 minus D. So rearranging the equation to find the value of D. So which is 120 minus 111 equals minus D plus 1.2 D. So this is 1D. So which is 120 minus 111 is 9 equals, here it is 0.2D. So to find the D again, so D equals 9 divided by 0.2. So for those who don't know how to do this division, I like to show it. So it is, whenever there is decimal point in the denominator, we have to remove it. So there is in the whole number, it will be at the end. So it is 0 added. So 90 divided by 2, which is equal 45. So that is the answer for D. So we have found the value of D as 45. So just we have to substitute this value of D in this formula. So D, we found D. Since we got D as 45, I'm just going to put it in this place, times 45. So which is equals 1.5 times 45 is 67.5. So in this case, the cost price is 200 into 100 plus profit percentage, we just found it is 67.5 divided by 100. So simplifying this, 0 gets cancelled, it is 2. So which is equals 2 times 100 plus 67.5 is 167.5. So which is equals 335. Therefore, the selling price of article Q is 335. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.